What is going on, guys? It's Mr. Cool here, and today we are playing, for the second time, Flood Escape 2. And for some reason I was questioning why I didn't have an arm, but now I'm not going to anymore because I have an arm now, and oh, Crystal Caviar. I wish I was on this map because I am actually a pro and my mic isn't down. There we go. So, looks like everything's loading in now. Let's spectate this guy. He seems like a pro. Ooh, he finished. Oh yeah, this is a good group of people we have. 7 went into the level, and I believe 7 finished. Hopefully. Let's see. Yes, all 7 people finished. Yay! Good for them. Oh, I can't move. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's go into Gloomy Manor. Oh my gosh, I almost just died already. Okay, I don't know where to go, so I'm just gonna trust everybody else. And I know there's a button up there. That's the only place where I know where to go. And I guess I'm not doing the button. I don't like to do buttons. I only will do buttons if I have to. And I'm the only one left in the game, of course. Because other than that, I'm not going to do buttons. Wait, why do I feel like I know what happens if you press on the button? I knew it! It falls. I'll do it. I do it for the squad. Okay, now I don't know where to go, though. And everyone's leaving me to die. Thanks a lot. At least I can kind of, like, see people's trails. Okay. Go, come on. Yes, we got the button. Let's go. Okay, we better go quickie, or the lava's gonna come up on us. Oh, barely. The lava's gonna start in this room soon. Soon, though. I guess we keep going forward. Oh, I think this is the end. The end is near. We're almost there. Oh my gosh, yay, right here in the corner where I'm circling. I got an award for surviving Gloomy Manor. I'm a boss. Even though I barely did anything. And I mostly left it up to everyone else in my game, but who cares? Finished. Yay. I finished. Woohoo. Okay. Next map. I'm stuck in a block. I'm stuck. Okay. Let's see. We've got this map. Let's do this. Where we do this. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do what this person does. How do they get up there? Okay, they have it, obviously. I should have known in the beginning. Oh, there we go. Oh. Yeah, here we go. Let's do this. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Okay, now we have extra air tank. And I thought I was playing Beach Run Simulator for a second, so I'm gonna try to activate a parachute. Okay, let's... Oh, how'd they get over there? Someone, do something. Where's the button? That needs to be pressed? Wait, oh, we could have gone up here a long time ago. Wait, why can't I move my view? Oh my gosh. Why can't I move my view? There we go. Okay, there we go. What happens if we are like... Wait, what? Whoa! Okay, it's gonna be really cool because I'm just gonna like make sure that I finish once this gets... Why do I keep that happening? I'm not gonna finish. I'm gonna finish dead last. Okay, let's go. What? Wow. That's sad. Oh, no. I don't like this level. Wait, is this the... Okay, this isn't the one with the ghost that follows you. I don't think. Because that one's pretty good. It's pretty hard also. I don't know why I'm going for this right away. Button. I'm gonna get that button. Okay, wait, can I land on the tree? Yes. Wait, that's gonna make less. I put it up here, and this way, and like that. I have to go like that, and then like this, and then like that, and then like that, and then like, wait, what happens if I go forward? Whoa, whoop-de-doo! No, please, 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 please. Okay, that's pretty good, that's pretty good, that's pretty good. We're doing good, we're doing best. Hold. Yes, we're doing so well. No! Decline, decline. I don't friend you. If you turn notifications, like this video, and subscribe, I'm not gonna be I'm not gonna be your friend, but I'm gonna follow you. I was wrong when I said friend because I forgot that friend wasn't the one where you can have unlimited. So I'm gonna follow as many of you as I want. That'll be good. But on the other bad side, that this is so close, and we're going to literally drown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. We drowned a little bit before that, but who cares? We drowned anyway. No, go, go, go. Okay, what's this? This is pretty quick also, so I'm just gonna watch. Let's see what's this person doing. Person, you're the last one to get there. Just keep going. Okay. What are you doing? Be like a normal person. Oh, wow, person. You did terrific. As they fail the jump. Ooh, I get 4 coins. Okay. Okay, what is this person trying to accomplish right here? Okay, you don't have a fun spectate thingy, so I'm gonna go with this guy, which is probably not as high as a level, but for some reason he's doing better. Okay, let's spectate this guy. Yeah, just done. Okay, Dragon King is doing pretty good. Dragon King, Dragon King. What was the point of that? What was the point of that? I'm really confused. He could have killed himself. Just jump. Wow. Are you gonna go through? Oh, he's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. Boop, boop. He's gonna die. That person died. Yeah, wait. How is that person not dead? I am so confused right now. Did they hack? Yes, I love this map. This is my favorite map because I can blow through it, even if I need to press buttons. I'm just gonna commit to whatever ends up. How do you survive? How do you survive falling in that? Okay. Did I click that? Wait, I didn't. No! I'm gonna leave the game so that doesn't work. Please. Please. Okay. Right now you're seeing a black screen, but in a second, it's gonna, the thingy is gonna start. Let's give it a second. Nope. Nothing. Oh, there we go. So, yeah. Now it's gonna pop up. I just didn't want that to walk you insane. I really, really hope next time when I come back in, I have all the diamonds that I had before, and it looks like I'm the only person in this game. Why am I the only person in this game? Why am I the only person in my game? Oh, there we go. A whole bunch of people just joined. Okay. Let's start this. And since I'm obviously in a different server, yes, I still have my gems. Yes! It's also hacked to get unlimited gems, if you didn't know. If you love Insane, you go, and then once you're at the final level and you die, if you leave the game and you go back in, you'll have your gems again, so you can play Insane again. And that's a little troll that you can use to troll everyone else in your game. So that's cool. And then I think this guy that is starts with a 10. I think she is the best in the game. Yeah. I'm pretty okay. I'm only level 3. I'm better than one person in the game. But we are a rising star. Oh, there's someone better. How did no one survive that? That's sad. That's really sad. What actually is really sad is what you saw last time. I wish I could replay that in slow-mo just. I was like, I'm going to commit to whatever comes and I'm going to do really good. I just fall immediately. Maybe I should wait from now on. Because if I waited that round, I obviously wouldn't be in this server and I probably wouldn't be playing this map. But who cares about that? So, let's keep going. Let's get this button or that person can do today. Nice. Okay, let's do this, and if I fail this, I'm going to be upset, and let's keep going. Oh, there we go. I'm going to beat this person. I'm going to beat them. Oh, she thinks that she has the skills. I have the skills. I have the skills to outskill. Oh, I have the skills. I finished first. Yes. 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Yes. No, walk to insane. I'm good. And then we have got the dab because most people, I think actually everyone survived. That person about died. No. Okay, who has not died yet? Oh. How is that person still alive? Can you swim out or something? No, you can't swim out. This map, you can. Oh, there's nothing there. I thought there was a gap. It just wasn't loading in properly. I thought there was a gap. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. And then we do the ladder speed hack, which is actually just holding space if you were curious. Dang it. It's not really a hack. If you hold space while you go up a ladder, you go really quick. Just wait. Then you gotta get a little bit height first, and then you can do it easily. Well, I'm doing much better than that person, apparently. Yeah, let's go up and do the ladder hack. I thought it was like a tank that you needed to do it, because I saw everyone do it with like this weird tank. So it sounded like a tank would make you like go faster up a ladder or something. And then I looked in the shop and it wasn't there. So, I looked in the shop and the thing didn't say like, oh, did Yes! I'm getting this button. I don't care what you do. I'm getting the button. Oh, do you see this skills? I'm much more skillful than that person is. Okay, you get that. Now get this. And then everyone will be happy. I make sure I'm getting here first, because I know the easiest way to get through this. The actual easiest way is to press all the buttons. Because if you press oh my gosh, if you press all the buttons first, we are so dead right now. Okay, we lost a lot of air. We lost about 100 thingies of air. But I'm going to show you the way to do this. And you got to go through these icicles. This is going to take the least amount of time as possible. And make sure you always want to be going down as much as you can, because it makes you go slightly faster. And I don't think I'm gonna get there and have enough air. I don't think I'm gonna get to the first button and have enough air. Okay. I can't have I need to breathe. I physically need a spot to breathe. Help, please. Now my regular air tank is equipping. Please help. I'm gonna die. No! So close! No! Everyone died at the same time, but at the end I barely got ahead of everyone. But I don't really I'm gonna make sure not to fall in the lava. Yep, just like that. But that lava is. Some followed it. Dang it. Whoop. Yep. Goody. Oh, I'm gonna beat this person. How do they swim so fast? That's definitely a tank. Them skills though. Look at me just out parkour this guy. He just falls awesomely. Is that even a word, awesomely? I don't know, but whatever happened, the wind button. Just the last button. Now, that easy button, I think. Also, make sure to smash that like button for more videos. And as I said before, if you smash the like button, turn on those notifications, and stay breaking. And also another thing, make sure you also like the video if you want to start a new series, sneak peek. I missed that jump. Sneak peek new series. I'm going to start a new series on, well, I may start a new series. I may start a new series on this game called, it's this game, it's like this escape room, and they tend to take a little bit of a,